Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hear yourself in voice mode on Mac. So it's very simple guys, this new beta has you covered. So first thing you need to do is go over to your settings right here and then check if your microphone and headphones are right. So in order to hear yourself, you need to choose headphones that you want to hear yourself from. It takes logic to understand it. Okay, so when you have it done, then go over to Discover, and as you can see down here, you have this button Hear Myself. So now, when you click on this, and this red line is no longer here, then you can hear yourself through headphones that you have just selected in your settings. So for example, I hear myself through my headphones right now. So it's that simple guys. If you don't want to hear yourself, then just click this and this red line will appear and you no longer hear yourself. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.